Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Peridot, the stone of transition. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is available now. If you're interested in learning how to use crystal wisdom in your practical life, I'll add a link to that in the description below and in the eye above. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. Today, we're going to do that with Peridot. This gives you the opportunity to sit with the energy of a gemstone, to listen to its supportive qualities, and decide if that's a stone that you would like to work with more. If you do have a piece of peridot, it could be rough or tumbled like this, or it could be in a piece of jewelry. It is a common jewelry stone, being the birthstone of August. But you do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from this meditation. You can picture it in your mind. And if any of the prompts and questions I bring up in this video, they call to you, they feel familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign you should get some peridot and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. That could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, as long as you can remain comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes during this meditation. So if you have your peridot, or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like in your body to breathe. How does your inhale and exhale feel to you? And then bring that attention to the rest of your physical body and notice if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. And bringing your awareness to your heart center to see if there are any emotions with you right now. And then bringing your focus to your mind to check in and see what the state of your mind is like right now. Busy, calm, distracted. And we're not trying to change or fix anything. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bring your attention to those parts on your body that touch the cushion or chair or the floor beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. You have access to all of the energy of the earth. So you will be perfectly supported and guided in this meditation today. And if you do have a piece of peridot, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the peridot today. Take a minute to feel the stone in your hand, to feel its weight, to run your fingers over the surface, see where it might be smooth or rough, faceted. It could be in a piece of jewelry. Notice how that feels. And take a minute to get to know your piece of peridot. And if you don't have the gemstone, then picture a light yellow-green gemstone in your mind. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind, since you've been holding the peridot. And imagine as you're sitting that a gentle, cool rain is showering down on you, cleansing away attachments, negative emotions, leaving you feeling light and free. And sit with this image of peridot energy for a minute. Peridot is the stone of transition. And as you hold or imagine this gemstone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you at the end of a project or a stage in life? Are you having difficulty letting go of something that has finished? Are you unsure of what the next step in life should be? Do you find yourself attached to some difficult emotions such as jealousy, bitterness, or anger? Do you feel yourself overwhelmed by responsibilities but hesitant to delegate? All of these situations are supported by peridot. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your heart, body, and mind. And we'll sit with it for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the stone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the stone. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started the meditation. And then release the image of the peridot energy. And release the situation you were sitting with and just come back to your regular breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in meditation with peridot. I hope you found this useful, and if you do feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the benefits of the peridot when you need them. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life to initiate transformation and change. Knowing which situations in life that you would like support with, knowing which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. If you've been watching my channel for a while and you're enjoying the videos but you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you're brand new to the channel and you're interested in learning how a wide variety of gemstones can help you in your everyday life, I talk about a new gemstone every single week. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.